Ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Ka Khasi Students Union kala kentaj ban pedang ya ka jingtmu jang Sarkar Jilla ban ya penpet puat apdeng ka Jilla Meghalaya bat ka Jilla Assam da ka give and take policy da ka baong bakani ka kentien kamdan hiru ha ka dictionary lani ka den shanhi u president ka seng ba Lambok Starwell Marngar ulapan pawe kani ka jingbam ya hap halor ka give and take policy hadin balawai ka jingalang bala khat da ka Sarkar Jilla ya ki kan huan beper ban ya keren halor ka jinga penpet puat ha ki real teli ki jaka ki badan ha ka jinga kaja ha pedang ka Meghalaya bat ka Assam nalor ka KSU ka Federation of Khasi Jaintia and Garo People ka Nyautrap National Youth Front lembat ka Nyautrap Youth Council kilapan paw ya ka jinga artatien ba ka Jilla Meghalaya kan yo jingmentoy na kani ka jinga penpet puat
Snow na jengkran cepat bang semua kami ingin melak pan pedang kan ya ka tarik ni ka por biang kam sebuk ong sian kan saai kita kasian ngintip kan simpor sebenarnya apa naik ka tangi melak pan bu tangap kai ka sokar ka tip kamba ndai ong ba ni na apa pakhat banyak tentang strategi jom kilen give and take semua haga dictionary jengi melak kan sian makam judon give and take umno ngidon ko jom history yet ki ma ka don jom history dia keren dia give and take so take kum ka yin wa kam duler ka jat bendu jengi kam tam jat bendu gidon ki kot islah duler lembak ki di ma tak khasis dia tidak kam don duler kan min it khasis dia kan min it district council te ka sarkar su khamba ka tangi ban ka ta kan ore hon su thu kindon ki jing ya keren gidon ki jing ya tan nang tai le khadu khawai sengoba ka string sengoba ka khmat tam ya pensiong nong de Piwat bangi wan ta kemiting ruk lakren nang kong mene sini ki perlok ong ba kemiting ba areng la ba ajimot ya kamani su kemiting banang kemiting banang kong ruk empat yo kani kini meeting ba ting la ba ajimot ki ai bangi ban ajimot pro put usang ting hawangi pan ya kata ka report ni ong ba haswa ngi sakmat ban ya kren ban ya tai halo kani ban yo sengo kita ka report yang sarkar ni kwa ban yo sarkar report ni sarkar ka ong bayam ta ka palong ban ai tingim tip ka tho yu sarkar ta ka report handrai bada kalong ni ka dur ng sengo ba ka samjing stom ban kren kum bai pat handrai ngi ong ne sarkar ba tau phila ban bu wat phi phem pala ban sia bat ngi blak an wa lo ta ka report handrai long ba di ban kemau di ban chu sim tang jil sengo na ta ka wil jong pai ba song sunong ada pensiong nongrem ko kum history kot kisla kata na kum meeting ong sa share lang ong ba ai ba ngi once ka next meeting dengan yu puli ban yu ajimut rai ni kot ta ka long bangim kwa ma ka long tong ta ki nong kawang keti ya gomen rai ka ni isu ni hap su thu rai isu la sa kun ta la san pau tli kisna tingi kwa ban don ko nu ko ban ta ngi hap ban ajimut dan rai pausi ka long nyuma ka long bam ta singi sarkar kepala tingi kran chai sarkar ong ton pinang ya ta lanu pin ai kata ring tip ndai na kaliau jingi la banjur bade ben ai lang ndai tang sangi ben bu public domain banjur ben talang padu pa ba pan share kam tam bidong song song ti kap kongsan ko menta ka longin sa song perkhat bat ngila ban kompai la ka jong ka report ban jo snor la jong ki score ya ka jinglong juman kam tam ka ka ba ka sarkar ka wan ti ka to ka snap ka snun em ya ka sor jong bon balang lagi don ka tu ni ki jaka ba ngi la de ban le ru ngi la pan song rem ki ba ki it ki ma gidon bagajong penta kam tam nilak pan snoru wa juga konsel bagajong bagajong very important role ban sementa kedai ka jing bet bot besang jing sta jong sarkar dengan ong su umnum batai bangin ba tanggar report kama banai ti hendrai long bolong mata long report yang patio puli ka tho yu ko makaran kong ngi tersebut mentangan kompai menga report ngan ong ni pinga supata dak tien phim il jong khamat phim la ban ngej ka don yu ta yo long kombai jing tho ti tat andang la i black an wa ka report ngan sai i la ka dai ki jaka ki ba long mix population ti borat na jaka la khambun makiru dengan sepek sebesar bat ngan sa persyang mele la jong bentaban etre rangkat ki ne susasnong kam tam pinong pai ba susnong ti borat
Te kum bakalong manta kalau maka first meeting dulu apen sengong sengi daga sarkar dengan bau chief minister bau komiti jongki kai proses beglaya ni sengap kata. Te mentaru second time ro kipen sengong yang iba ba jandap Bamata kala phak ta ka report sport MHA bagi nyok approval nanti. Te ngi silong tang kinong sngam kinong pek perman. Ring ada pong sarkar syabangin mi ru ngi ong pek ni shania api rilada PP ong PB sa principal bagi take ye local resident into consideration ye kinong sosno to border ki badi ki dok sna bajungi kin simkhya yaki nyong biang telengba kidong ki jaka pat mo ki balong kita ki long ki bakan land ki khlaw kin kita ki bahak pok ki hima ti kata ru ki ong nak laka sarkar ru insepet insekren leng baka council ki kita ki scroll facts documents bagi don ye kita kin bis tingi kumbolong no banta yem dei bong ngilang agree ya ke go government bakale ring sepet kan lada kadang ki briu jungi ki ut ki nam ko pladap kron ni balam hak tu ki jaka border ki syong kadang kadang syak ban ben kadang syak niglek ke sarkar ka keti baik ai ki bikin dan apa jem penyak sarkar asam ha ta ko ngilong dala dep pernah kata ka report ayo approval ru minum syong keti dalale ru mangiru reya ka banta ni ai ta keti ka mang keti ka yang sarkar ru kana bakalan pendap no nama beliau katkum ki jaka bangilek malah kini ki border area kidong ki jaka kidong kinok song khasi ki jongi mo kitu hi ki ong bakwa banda chupa megalia tena kaliang kidong ki jaka badi po asam kitu ki ka naman sangi tena kaliang sarkar ka ongi habadon hi ta kinok song jongi megalia kalau ada makan jaka asam ki development ko na asam ru kin poi sangi dia kata kadi tang jingkran nak kentin yang patep kadi na kamjing sha ringin up at report kan dia ring ashim ni kabupan bagan pha sini ki pardok persana jongi ki pasah ki border area khamtam ni ki jaka ko ta dispute kum block 1 block 2 ba dadi ban up hadu ta ashim karai sarkar bagan ni ki jaka ka ali shano kalau di asam ni semaklian rai mentah hiru ling ba kisnong ki thau ling ba kisim tai ki ben mi khama ban wan no berut banyak kendu ki bor nong penyak kan ne ko mingi kisang malang ru khnang bangla snow se government nomor teng la sai mentah ki othiak pen la sai da ko ashim karai mundan ba ong em tekan kan para jinge ingi di nembut kan te ni hi kum kisang malang ishim ni ko bu ban kapat lang produk prostam jangi makin shim ni ko bu mentah hi mardor ba hak ki badan po ki thain khaput ki baki du sibun ki jinge makin mi chakmat ki nyakran nang ba ki district administration ki boss nomor tha bar ki cm kumtar dan
meeting of consultation where no decision was taken. Not even a proposal to take a decision also. The government's share of about more or less a detailed report of these regional committee submitted by both the two committees from Meghalaya and Assam, and they give us a detail of villages where where some of the villages say that they want to go to Assam, some of the villages want to go to Assam, and all those things. But there's no decision in the meeting, and a few grey area also that we have raised, which are still left in confusion, because the first confusion and the first grey area is that okay, villager, they may decide to go to state A or state B, but what about the area like forest area and vacancy land? There are no people in this area, so how will you decide that? That is the first thing. Secondly, is that we have made our point very clear from day one that the five principle agreed, like the historical factor, administrative convenience, and other thing, should be the only guiding principle when it comes to settlement. Other things like adverse portion, developmental, and constitutional boundary should never be the criteria or the principle that you want to go forward with this. So, but it seems like the few area where adverse portion also has been utilized for settlement of this boundary. So this is something that we have to think properly, because I can give you an example. A Rabha or any people who is a tenant under the Hima Nongspong Steamship, how can they decide to go to Assam? That cannot be done, no? Kung no minder ubashuan siyang tap hakatuka jaka jong Hima ki bashim yikilan dokumen na ki Hima ki itang namar ba kilong link to Assam unray no makiban li sa Assam katate ko balong. The problem is that the moment if this area go to Assam, especially to Riraj or community land where it's owned by the Hima, we don't have a schedule that we can continue this Nongspong Steamship or Nongkhlaw Steamship cannot go and do administration in Assam. That's very clear. If the area remain in Meghalaya, they can have administrative power. But the moment they are out of Meghalaya, they're gone. That land will be purely belong to the government of Assam land. So these are the gray area, and the other thing where there are villages where they want to go to Assam, example, but surrounded by villages who want to go to Meghalaya. So how did you decide those area? So these are the thing that has not been. These are the thing that has not been decided. So we will also have a second thought on this. So any solution accordingly will meet the government again on this. The state has submitted the report to the Home Ministry, but they have not been finalized. Signature of the same has not been done, and most importantly, the report of the GSI Geological Survey India is also awaited, and the last authority who will decide will be the Government of India through the Ministry of Home Affairs. So it's very much relevant. And after all, also we the NGO also have not agreed to what the government say. We have raised several issues which the government has tried to clarify. We, from day one, from HYC, we work together with SameShape, with village, Khasi village, under this council. So this is the thing that we have once again have to go back to them to have a second thought on all this. So it won't be easy for us also to take a call on this matter as of now. And I don't know whether the government they want to go ahead after this meeting or not. But we feel that it should not go ahead after this meeting. We need to rediscuss. We need to go back to those villages and to those border area to have a talk again with this, especially with the Hima and the Dor Basnong in this border area. So this is a matter of life and death to the indigenous people in the state of Meghalaya. It just cannot be doing like this just because the will of the tenant say that we want to go to this side. You cannot. We feel that it's not advisable to even consider that. Like us also with the Hima, consultation was done in the past almost 50 years. There's no doubt. If you go to the government proceeding, lots of consultation, lot of committee, lot of regional committee, the 3 sub-committee already formed by the government, so doing consultation. So this, but as of now, we want to know what is the report, what is the how can I say, what is that boundary is supposed to be, from which village, from which area. So that kind of thing that we are discussing today. But there's a lot of gray area, still a lot of gray area in this in the report. So we, as of now, HYCs make our point very clear that till date, until unless we go back and have a second discussion with the stakeholder, real stakeholder like SameShape, this council and villagers, we will not take a call on this. From the NGO, lots of NGO has demanded today that the report should be shared with the NGO, which the government said that they will have a thought on it.